Hi, it's Derek from Goldstein Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram, and let me show you the Ram ProMaster van. It comes in 3 different models, 3 different trims, 3 different series, 3 different heights, and 4 different cargo lengths, and you can fit up to 6 people. The ProMaster is the tallest and widest, has the standard cargo area, and up to 524 cubic feet of volume to put all your stuff in. The near vertical walls make it easy for upfits and has the best in-class floor height of only 21 inches to get in and out. And this rear door opens 260 degrees, just like that. The ProMaster 276 horsepower engine can tow up to 7,130 pounds. You can go 10,000 miles between oil changes. It has a 10-year corrosion warranty and the best in-class warranty of 10 years and 100,000 mile powertrain limited warranty. And if you don't like it in white, it comes in 9 other exterior colors. It's Derek from Goldstein Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram. Thank you so much for checking out the Ram ProMaster van.